Welcome to another episode of Forethought, the Final Frontier. In this episode, we will learn how to enter plans in a team planner. Let's begin. First off, in order to enter plans into a team planner, we must click on the name of the team planner we want to be editing. In this instance, I'm going to edit the Technology Trainers Planner. Now, in order to begin editing, we do the same thing we do in the individual planner. We click within the lesson content area. So now that I've clicked within the lesson content area, you will notice that the curriculum pane highlights, and I also get the lesson entry toolbar to open. Now the difference between this and an individual planner is that I have a new button, and this button is called Check Out and Edit Lesson. In order to enter plans into the team planner, I must check out the plans. Notice when I click on that, you will see that this will make this lesson editable. Are you sure you want to check it out? If I am, I click OK. Now once I've done that, my cursor began to blink, and now I can start typing. So I can start adding in, what we're going to be doing. So tomorrow, now that I have this information. Now I can do whatever I want in this as I'm working. Now the one thing that is different is that no one else can edit this at the same time. So I can only work one person at a time within the team planner. Now that does not mean if you have multiple courses. In this team planner, we have one course. If I had social studies, math, and science within the same team planner, one person on the same day could be entering plans for social studies, one for science, one for math, because each course, each entry is checked out. You do not check out the whole day. Now once I click on Save, it will check back in the lessons. You'll notice now I have my Check Out and Edit Lesson button again. Now the other thing is different about the team planner is I have a chat option. I can discuss this week's plans. So if I click on that, you'll notice I get a new thread open and I can actually start typing. This will stay open for the whole week. Anything that's discussed in here will be there for the whole week. This can be really good for when you're trying to discuss things about what's going on instead of actually putting the information into the planner and then having to delete it before you send the lessons to your planner. So that is a great option to use, especially if you're working with multiple people for the same course. This concludes the episode on how to enter plans into a team planner. See you next time.